Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Raj from Radical Decade, your process automation strategist. Today we are going to talk about a hidden threat to your most critical system, and that is moisture in oil. Whether you are maintaining transformers, gearboxes or hydraulic systems, water contamination in oil can lead to serious damage, unplanned downtime and even system failure. So let's understand how moisture in oil transmitter can prevent that. So let's start with why moisture in oil matters. Industrial oils like transformer oil, hydraulic oil or lubrication fluids are designed to protect, cool and lubricate. But even a small amount of moisture can cause industrial breakdown in electrical transformer, corrosion in valves and bearings, and foaming, oxidation and fluid degradation. Block filters and reduce systems lifespan. Moisture enters through leaks, breathers, or thermal cycling, and you won't always see it until it's too late. Now let's cover what is moisture in oil transmitter. A moisture in oil transmitter is a sensor that continuously measures the water content in oil, often in ppm means parts per billion or water activity. It typically uses capacitive polymer sensing technology, which reacts to the water molecules in oil and gives a real-time data. The sensor can give output value as 4 to 20 mA analog signals, Modbus output RTU for remote monitoring, or direct display via HMI or control panels. Some advanced models also measure oil, temperature, and dielectric strength. Now, let's understand where it's used. You will find this transmitter installed in first, power transformers to ensure dielectric safety. Second, hydraulic system like injection molding, aerospace and presses. Third is gearboxes and turbines to prevent failure due to water ingress. Fourth is industrial lubrication system for compressors, spindles or blowers. Fifth is offshore and marine equipment, where moisture contamination is common. In mission critical system, moisture monitoring isn't optional. It's preventive protection. Now let's understand installation and selection tips. Before selecting a moisture in oil transmitter, consider that oil type compatibility, like it's mineral, synthetic, ester or silicon oil. Second is measurement range. Ensure it covers both ppm and AW readings. Third is probe length and mounting, threaded for inline or flange for tanks, and signal output. Choose based on your control system, analog or digital. And last, operating temperature. High temperature rated sensors for hot oil application. Here quick tip is install the sensor where oil flow is consistent, not at stagnant corners or overflow zones. And if the system allows, pair it with moisture alarm or data loggers. To sum up it all, a moisture in oil transmitter helps to protect your assets by detecting early signs of water contamination and giving you time to act before the damage is done. So, if you got a transformer or hydraulic press or gearbox you are worried about, then drop it in our comment section. We will help you to pick best transmitter for your application. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in my next video of oxygen sensors and transmitter.